Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about how we can utilize zip function to zip and unzip values in Python. So zip is a function which takes iterable as an input and returns an iterator on them. Let's have a quick look at the syntax. So here you can see it takes iterable as an argument along with the asterisk sign, and here iterable can be anything like built-in ones like list, dictionary, string, or it can be the user-defined ones, which means any object having iter method implemented. So let's try this out. So first of all, I will go to my Jupyter notebook, and here we'll type in for loop, and zip is the function name. So here you can say 1 2 3. Let's take these three and print in. So if I will run it, you can see here that it has returned tuples holding single values 1, 2, and 3. Next, we will try to run multiple arguments with the same length. So I will give you 7, 8, and 9. If I will run this, you can see that now it is zipped with these two values 1, 7, 2, 2, 8, and 3, 2, 9. So it is based on the index, whatever is the respective one. Now here you can see that we have zipped the elements together from each list. Now what if we provide third argument? So if I am saying third argument here, let's say A, B, and C. In this case, it will zip all the three values from the respective indexes. Now next question is, it's not necessary that every time you will get equal number of items. So what if you are having the item of less number of items in one of these lists? So in that case, let's say if I am giving here only 2 and in the first one it is holding 3 items. So in that case, you can see that this result got trimmed with the shortest length. So here we have only 2, so that's why we are getting only 2. So how can we get the missed out ones? So for getting the missed out ones, we need to work with zip longest function. So for that, the very first thing you need to do is you need to go and import iterate tools, import zip longest. And once this is done, you can make a call to zip longest with the values . So I will remove it, and now if I will run this one, you can see that you got the third one as none and it is paired with C. Okay, so till now we have zipped the values together. Let's see how we can unzip them. So to unzip them, we need to use asterisk sign with zip, and for that I can quickly grab my code to save some time. So this is the code, and here you can see that first we zipped it and then we unzipped it using the asterisk sign, and these are the two variables which is holding the value. So 1 2 3 is in one A and 7 8 9 came into the B. So this is how we can use zip and unzip in Python. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.